The EXP file type is an export file used in programming. It tells the linker which functions to export. It's useless to a standard user, but vital for a developer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's look at the text inside. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure EXP formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. The EXP extension has been registered globally as a member of the data file group. The chosen format for data exchange is the symbols export file type. The EXP file is a generic export file used by various applications. For Microsoft Visual Studio, it specifically functions as a symbols export file, containing definitions and addresses of functions that are exported by a DLL dynamic link library. Developed by Microsoft, the format is structural and contains binary link definitions. Its purpose is crucial for linking. It tells a program how to connect to functions inside a separate DLL file. It is unopenable and unreadable by humans. It is only used by the compiler and linker within the Visual Studio environment. To ensure best performance with EXP, always start with Microsoft Visual Studio from Microsoft Corporation. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows displays only partial information, so correct interpretation must be done in the appropriate software. To force the file open, right-click your EXP file and select Open With. If Microsoft Visual Studio is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If your EXP file will not open yet, do not panic. Because the EXP format is proprietary, simple misconfigurations are common. We need to verify these crucial technical details using our checklists. First, recognize the file type. Determine if the file is an export symbol file used in programming / linking, or an old DOS program export file. Next, use associated application. If a programming file, the linker compiler will use it automatically. If a program export, open the original program and use File. Import to access the data. Finally, open as text. Try opening the file in a text editor to see if the content is human readable, e.g. a list of exported symbols or configuration text. If the initial fixes didn't work, we now know the file's resistance is extremely high. The only sensible path forward is trying a comprehensive universal tool. This is the moment to stop struggling with standard software limitations on your EXP file. Your professional solution is FileMagick, a universal viewer that ignores standard restrictions. You can find it at filemagick.com. Feel free to leave any follow-up questions you may have below, and then hit the subscribe button for future access. Stay tuned for more expert solutions next week.